This video I'm going to show how to replace the water filter on a Kenmore Coldspot refrigerator. There is an indicator inside at the top of the fridge that will show green if the filter is good, yellow if it's time to order a new one, and red to show when the filter needs replaced. This fridge uses a 46-9081 water filter, so I'll take it out of the box, tear off the wrap, and then take the cap off. Then I'll kneel on the ground and open up the small door to remove the old filter, but this fridge came with the house and was damaged, so they used tape to keep the door closed. And after I remove the old filter, I'll just put the new one in with the arrow facing the same direction as the arrow on the door. Then I'll close the door and put the tape back since the door won't stay closed since it's broken. And finally, I'll reset the filter status light inside by pushing the switch next to it 5 times within 10 seconds. Then after it turns green, I'm done. Hopefully this video has helped, and feel free to ask any questions that you still may have in the comments. Thank you for watching, and please like and subscribe for more quick and on-point videos.